Suya bangers and mash. Begin by peeling and dicing 2 pounds of potatoes. You want them as close to even size as possible so they cook evenly. Put them in a pot, cover them with water, season, and put on medium heat and cook until fork tender. Then drain and set aside. In the meantime, chop half an onion and 1 tomato. Set that aside too. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and set that aside. This is your mise en place. In a pot over medium heat, you sweat your onions with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once tender, add in your garlic and cook until fragrant. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook that down for 1 minute. Then add in your chopped tomatoes and cook that down. Then add in 2 tablespoons of your Suya Spice. And cook that down as well until the tomatoes release their water and are nice and tender. Add in 1 cup of chicken stock or broth, season, and bring to a boil. Then add in 1 habanero or Scotch bonnet pepper. Be sure not to pop this one because it will make the whole dish extra spicy. Simmer. By now, you can drain and set your potatoes aside. Then chop 2 onions and mince 2 sprigs of thyme. In a pan, add in your onions and cook them down. This is going to be caramelized onions. While the onions are caramelizing, chop and slice your sausages. I use pre-cooked and pre-made sausages, but you can absolutely do this with fresh, uncooked sausages. You will just have to cook them longer. Remove your habanero or Scotch bonnet from your sauce. Once again, careful not to pop it. Let your sauce continue to simmer until it's nice and thick. In the meantime, continue to stir and caramelize your onions. Once they have some color, deglaze the pan with balsamic vinegar. Add in the chopped thyme, season, and taste. Then set it aside. By now, your sauce should be ready to get off the heat. Allow it to slightly cool and blend till smooth. Begin to mash your potatoes. In the meantime, warm up half a cup of milk and add that to your mashed potatoes. Mix until well combined. Then add in your butter and mix that as well. Once your butter and milk are in there, add in your half a cup of yogurt, Greek yogurt, and some rosemary. Mix until everything is well combined, season, and taste. Then set it aside and it is time to cook your sausages. In a pan with some oil, over medium heat, add in your sausage slices and cook until warmed through and browned. Once your sausages are done, set them aside and it is time to plate. In the center of your plate, add a dollop of your mashed potatoes and make a well. Then add in your caramelized onions, and around your potatoes, add in your blended sauce. Top with your bangers, sausages, as some call them, and finish with some parsley oil. Link in description for that recipe. Top with some microgreens and enjoy.